cigarette by a bus stop in the dim glow of the streetlight. Heard a male voice was booming, hit the dim glowing cigarette. It's calling out to Lord Almighty, calling out into the wet, cold and damp and dim glow of her glowing cigarette. And she's bowed to her bones. She's not alone, 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 alone. A badly treated war horse, hanging her head low. A monster in the saddle broke her in and broke her down. And ember ain't enough to see a path away from this town. She needs it in the dim glow of that street light. A window seat, a train ride right out of the sight. Saw her dim and so was fading to the darkness. It was fed. The dim glow of the street light flickered out. It's gone, it's dead. And she's bound to her bones. She's not alone, 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 alone. A badly treated war horse, hanging her head low. A monster in the saddle broke her in and broke her down. An ember ain't enough to see a path away from this town. She's rattled to her bones. She's not alone, 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 alone. A badly treated war horse, hanging her head low. A monster in the saddle broke her in and broke her down. An ember ain't enough to see a path away from this town. No, an ember ain't enough to see a path away from this